Good day guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys is doing great. Now I want to show you how to make a professional t-shirt customization exactly like this on your Android smartphone using Pixellab. In this tutorial you will learn how to do different kind of this with one amazing app and how you can print it out easily. Everything was explained in details. Kindly watch from the beginning to the end. God bless you. Happy New Year once again.
Please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel and click the bell to be notified when we post new videos.
Without wasting much of our time, let's start with today's tutorial.
Diko Graphics skills with creativity.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how you can customize a t-shirt, cardigan, or any kind of t-shirt rather. How can you customize it on your Android smartphone using Pixellab? If you could remember, I've introduced one app which is very good for customization called Typimage. This particular app is very good for customization. You don't need to stress yourself. Just type whatever and there is a lot of codes there. You can actually customize it with your name, that at the end of the day when you select the one you want, then you can put your own name there. So let's just look at it, how we can use it to customize. For instance, this is the interface of the app, and what can you do with it? Just double click it. When you double click it, you take you to inside. There is an arrow, dice here. The dice will allow you to choose, and these are the different kind of category of quotes you can get. We have a classic, we have stay hungry, good morning, be mindful, so true, get hype, love, and go explore. So all these are the category of quotes that we have here, and you can actually roll a dice on each of those categories. They will bring many quotes for you. Like for instance, you look at this classic, which you already highlighted. We have leap and the net will appear. Let's roll it. You see, once you choose hope, anything is possible. I walk slowly, but I never walk backward. Things do not happen. Things are made to happen. Be so good, they can't ignore you. I like this. Be so good, they can't ignore you. Yes, very good. You can now change it to your own name. Let's say Diko Graphics. Or let me use my sub-brand name, Diko Digital. Then after you select it, just click on done. Then this thing will appear. No worry. Then you click on this A. A will have different pattern. Although the app is still, this is a free one, we have a premium one as well that you can use and use all the feature. So but nevertheless, there is many things that you can still achieve here with this free one. So let me go for this. I love this. Then for you to be able to see clearly, let's click on this and select the background color. So if you actually want to select gold color, so I've choose a gold color for the test. So if I want to select the background color, I have to go to the last one here, the last icon. Then I will go and select, let me select this color. So if I select this color, then it means I will change my color for this one. So let me change the color for the test. Let me change it to black. Let me change the color to black. Then let me go back and rotate this. Let me still rotate. As you are clicking it, it will be bringing different pattern of right up, so which is customization. You can still move on and choose another one. Look at it. Be so good, they can't ignore you, and they put a bicycle icon and something of such. Let's look at this. Be so good, they can't ignore you. So you can actually click another one. Be so good, they can't ignore you. So we have many things here, many pattern here which you can actually, and look at this. Be so good, they can't ignore you. You can choose this if you want. So you see, let's look at this. So let me go for this. Or go for the be so good, they can't ignore you. Diko Graphics, digital. So let me go for this one. So now I will move it small. You can use your hand to zoom it in and zoom it out to make it reduce the size. After that, the next thing I've choose the background, I will click saved, save to the gallery. So now let's go to our PicsArt. All the links and the resources I'm going to use is at the description of this video, so you can actually download it whenever you want it. So let's go. So the first thing is that import the shirt that you wanted to customize. After importing it, go down, go to add photo. Then what you just customize, this is it. What you just customize from Typimage, this is it. You can see it. Then you expand it like this to cover it. Use your opacity to reduce and see whether you are able to position it well. So after you are able to do that, the next thing to do is to return the opacity to 100. Now go to blend. Under the blend, then you see at the top, you can blend to whatever you want, but multiply. So when you multiply, you click mark. Okay. Then the next thing you will do at the end of the day after doing that is to click download. Now that we have downloaded it, then the next thing to do is to go to our Pixellab. So under our Pixellab, then we select the background we want to use. So we have selected this. Then I will go to what I just imported now. So I will go there. I will bring it to my Pixellab to finish everything. So I will expand it like this. So as you can see, I will expand it. Then I will use my relative position to position, then shift it up a little bit. Shift it up a little bit. So after that, I can actually reduce it to make it more okay. Then position like this. Then after that, I will go to my gallery. I will go to my gallery. I will go and pick a drop shadow. So I will crop it like this. Crop it like this. Then position it at the bottom like this. So after position, you can use your relative position at the top. Use your relative position. They must size, they must rhyme very well. So after you do that, then go to the color and apply black color. So you can actually reduce. It's not really look real, but it will. Let's reduce the opacity so it will look like drop shadow. So you can see, let's reduce the opacity to 50. Can you see? So you see how simple it is, and this is how you can customize any shirts, any t-shirts, or any cloth on using your Android smartphone. And the beauty of it is that you can actually print all these things. Are you getting it? There are some things that people did not understand. If you actually do something like this, like for instance, when I was, I'm still under training, I'll be thinking that after customizing and everything, can the person wear it? Yes, the person cannot wear it, but this is actually a kind of a template, or let me say, how the design will look like in a real life. Getting it. So when you do something like this, it shows that this is how it will exactly. This is how it will look when you actually print it out. So the design you make on Typimage, you can save it to one place, then show the person how this thing will be. So you tell the client this is how the thing will be at the end of the day when you are able to print it out. So the person will be able to see clearly how this thing will look like when you are able to finish it. So that is just how this thing be. So it's a kind of a way of presenting your own design or your own work in such a way that people will understand and see how it will look on the real life. So it's just as like that. But if there is any pre-design like this, there might be a mistake. So you must have studied, look at the color and look at everything before you can embark into it. And to print it, it's very, very simple. Like the other time, you can check my image, my channel. I drop a video on how you can print. I will still send more video on how you can print, save your work using PDF. Like for instance, when you are bringing this thing together now, even you can achieve and do this thing inside your Photopea and save at you save it as smart, or I mean save as a PDF and print it out directly. But the same thing applicable as he did it now. Instead of us to apply the background and everything here, we just go there directly and we'll go and save this. And there's nothing like that even when it comes to saving all this thing, because we are not what is only this write-up that we are bringing out. We need just to save with Ultra here and it will really work. So when you save with Ultra, it will really work. Just import and save with Ultra, or save in that Typimage. Everything is in high resolution. So that is that. About you can come up with any particular, and all this mockup, where can you get it? You can go to Google, just type free mockup. You can actually get as many as possible, and you can actually go to, we have many sites where you can get free mockup as well. You can go to free pick. When you go to free pick, at least they give an opportunity to download like 3 or 4 this thing for mockup for free as a visitor, or something like that. So you can go to www.pngegg.com. So when you go there, we have millions of mockup like this, and this is where I got this. So you can actually download that there, and we have a clean PNG as well. You can get many, www.cleanpng.com. So if you don't even know any of the name, just go to Google, type t-shirt. Once you know the name of what you are looking for, or is the stock image, just type. Although there are some that is being monetized, but at least you get the one you can use to practice, and before you can get garner your knowledge, garner yourself together and get some money to equip yourself and get better resources for your design. Thanks for watching. God bless you. See you in the next tutorial.